Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing our nails together and I'm going to show you how I achieve flawless nails in minutes using press-on nails. The brand I'm using is Illustrated Nail and I went for my signature almond shape, but there are a lot of brands out there in the market these days and a lot of shape variations, so you choose what you're most comfortable with. Whatever brand you choose, make sure the nails are flexible yet strong and won't bend easily. This might take some experimentation. My experience with Adel nails wasn't great, so you might want to steer away from that. Start off by sizing the nails and setting them aside. Most packages will come with nails that have numbers on them to let you know what size they are. The numbers are found on the back side of the nail. You'll want to make sure that you're using the same number for each corresponding finger to create a more uniform look. So for example, if you're using number 3 on your left pinky, make sure that you use the same number on your right pinky. If the brand you choose doesn't come with numbers, and I've had this experience before, you'll just have to do your best by eyeballing the size. Once you size your nails, it's time to start a very important step: prepping your nails for application. I start by pushing back my cuticles. Some brands will provide you with an orange stick to do this with. This brand didn't. So feel free to use any cuticle pusher you have available to you. Once that's done, you'll want to file your nails to smooth them out. Mine were broken and ragged and chipped, so this was just to get them all somewhat even. Use a nail or cuticle clipper to remove any hangnails and jagged edges. Next, use a coarse sanding block to rough up the nail bed. This creates an ideal surface for the glue to adhere to, giving the nails strength and longevity. As you can see here, I went in on that step. We want these nails to last as long as possible. And now for another very important step: disinfecting the nail beds before nail application. Don't skip this step. This step is very important. If you do skip it, you might get some bacteria growing on your nails. If you look really closely, you'll see that I have a little spot on my ring finger there. And yeah, that's not pretty. So use some alcohol or something stronger to disinfect the nails before you apply your press-ons, okay? The alcohol also helps to remove any residual oils from your nails. All brands will provide you with nail glue for application. I remembered I had leftover nail glue from my last set of nails, so I chose to use that instead of what was provided by Illustrated Nail, because all nail glue is created equal. If I'm wrong, let me know in the comment box, but that's what I ended up doing. Test to make sure that the nail glue hasn't dried up and is flowing nicely before you get started. That's what I just did there. Let's start. Grab your nail and quickly test it for size again. And then apply 1 drop of glue onto your nail bed. And using the tip of the applicator, spread it out so the entire nail bed is covered. Make sure you're using just enough glue to cover your nails, but not enough that it'll drip out the sides. More glue isn't better, it just ruins the application. So be generous, but not too generous. To apply the nail, slide it slightly under your cuticle and then press firmly on all sides and hold it down for... Most instructions will say to hold it down for 10 to 15 seconds. I hold it down for much longer, just to make sure that it's firmly in place and completely dried, and I continue to press on all sides to make sure any air pockets have been squeezed out, because an air pocket is what will cause the nail to fall out faster than you actually really want. It'll also let bacteria and other gunk get under the nail, and that's something you don't want. Clearly this is overkill now, but you get the idea. Press, hold, make sure it's dry and secure, and then move on to the next nail. This is one hand complete. So pretty. What do you guys think? Yes. I mean, look at the comparison, guys. You just can't compare. Let's do the other hand. Again, apply your glue. Spread it out using the tip of the applicator. Grab the correct size nail. It's getting a little tricky now with long nails. Apply it to your nail bed by sliding it slightly under the cuticle, positioning it so that the point is facing straight forward, and then pressing down on both sides, holding for as long as you feel it takes for the nail to feel dry, secure, and in place. Repeat the process until all your nails are done. And there you have it, the final result. I read somewhere that after you freshly apply or press on nails, that you should avoid getting them wet or near any oil for at least 2 to 3 hours. I don't know if this is true, but ever since I read that, I avoid getting my hands wet right after application. And I think you should too. So, what do you guys think? Are you going to try press-on nails? Have you been on press-on nails? I just love how easy it is to achieve beautiful nails at home by myself. If you have any other tips for press-on nails you want to add, leave them in the comments, okay? And I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now. Mwah.